Using Google Analytics segments is a powerful way to analyze and understand your website traffic and behavior. A segment is a subset of your data that allows you to isolate and examine specific groups of users, sessions, or hits. This enables you to gain deeper insights into your website's performance and make data-driven decisions. To start using segments, you first need to understand the different types of segments available in Google Analytics. There are predefined segments, such as all users, new users, and returning users, as well as custom segments that you can create based on specific criteria. You can create custom segments based on demographics, behavior, technology, or traffic sources. Creating a custom segment is a straightforward process. You can access the Segment Builder tool in the admin section of your Google Analytics account. Here, you can define your segment criteria using a variety of dimensions and metrics, such as age, location, device type, or landing page. For example, you can create a segment to analyze the behavior of users from a specific country or region. Once you have created your segments, you can apply them to your reports to gain a more detailed understanding of your website traffic. This allows you to compare the behavior of different groups of users and identify trends and patterns that may not be immediately apparent. For instance, you can use segments to compare the conversion rates of new and returning users, or to analyze the bounce rates of users from different traffic sources. Using segments in Google Analytics also enables you to identify opportunities for improvement and optimize your website and marketing campaigns. By analyzing the behavior of specific groups of users, you can identify areas where you can improve the user experience, increase engagement, and drive more conversions. For example, if you find that users from a specific traffic source have a high bounce rate, you can adjust your marketing campaigns to better target that audience. Best practices for using Google Analytics segments include regularly reviewing and updating your segments to ensure they remain relevant and effective. You should also use segments in conjunction with other Google Analytics features, such as goals and events, to gain a more comprehensive understanding of your website's performance. Additionally, you can use segments to create custom dashboards and reports that provide a clear and concise overview of your website's key metrics and trends. In conclusion, using Google Analytics segments is a powerful way to analyze and understand your website traffic and behavior. By creating and applying custom segments, you can gain deeper insights into your website's performance, identify opportunities for improvement, and optimize your website and marketing campaigns to drive more conversions and revenue.